Is gearing up to launch its upcoming flagship phone, the Z60 Ultra, on December 19th. Recent teasers gave us a glimpse of the phone's circular camera design. A new leak has surfaced offering a complete picture of the device. Much like the Z50 Ultra, the Z60 will feature a display with no notch. This means you can expect a UDC camera, and bezels on all sides appear to be symmetrical. You can see the flat display of the phone. Around the back, there is a large rectangular camera island that covers the entire width of the phone. The camera module is a two-tone finish with the upper half in a white finish, housing a camera sensor in a capsule-style design. To the right of the sensor is a LED light, Nubia logo, and a red dot, which is for aesthetic reasons. The bottom half of the camera module is black and houses two sensors. One sensor is in a circular cutout with a red accent, while the other is in the rectangular cutout. The leak also reveals antenna lines on the frame, confirming it's a metal frame. There's a physical slider that can be used to mute notifications. The power and volume rocker are on the same right hand side. Nubia confirmed the Z60 Ultra boasts a 50 megapixel primary camera with impressive specs, that is 1 by 1.56 inch sensor, f1.8 OS support with 8-wire suspension stabilization motor. Nubia claims it will feature the world's first main level wide angle lens, suggesting the primary camera will offer similar capabilities to ultra-wide lens. The phone will be powered by the 8 Gen 3 paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It will also have IP68 dust and water resistance.